Hi, guys. Happy Sunday. I love the idea of a hybrid course. I have never taken a hybrid course. I didn't even think about that it could even be an option. I am not even sure if Front Range offers them. I have not seen them in some of the classes that I've been needing to take. So, wasn't even quite sure what a hybrid class was. So, I had to do a little bit of research for me on some of the things that I have read about for them. I think for me personally, I think it would work really well. I like the idea that I can have a little bit of face to face, meet the professor, come to the class with some questions that I might have and need answered, get a timely response back on things that I'm needing to know for the class, the flexibility of doing my work, a lot of it at home. That would be a really good thing about a hybrid class. Um, for me, it just would be a great balance. So, gosh, kind of got me thinking. I'm going to maybe see if I can research some hybrid classes. Have a great weekend.